Now we are going to discuss the topic is psychological aspects, stress and coping in older adults. We want to know the meaning of the two words, that is stress and copying. First one, stress. The terms used to describe the physical, emotional, cognitive and behavioral responses to events that are appraised as threatening or challenging. The term used to describe the physical, emotional, cognitive and behavioral responses to events. Otherwise, this discussed like it is a state of mental tension that's worry caused by problems your life, work, etc. Coping is the process of contending with life difficulties in an effort to overcome or work through them. Sources of stress: environmental stresses, physiological stresses, sociocultural stresses, and cognitive factors. The environmental stresses are heat, cold, noise, traffic, pollution, and physiological stresses are illness, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, etc. And socio-cultural stresses are financial problems, relationship problems, work problems related. And the last one, cognitive factors, the person's attitude, belief and our own thoughts are making the problems. That are the main stress sources: environmental stresses, physiological stresses, socio-cultural stresses and cognitive factors. Next, stress responses. The stress responses are mainly 5 types, that are behavioral, emotional, physiological, cognitive and biochemical. In behavioral, under the behavioral we can see sleep disturbances, uses of alcohol or using of drugs, and absenteeism and aggression. That is the main 4 points in the behavioral. Then emotionally the person's having a depression or anxiety, irritability, crying, suicide and loss of humor. Then the third one is a physiological. Then higher blood pressure, rapid show of breathing, increased heart rate, dilation of pupils, muscle tension and dry mouth. Then the fourth one is cognitive: lack of concentration, negative thoughts, worrying and poor memory. The last one is biochemical: increased metabolic rate and altered hormonal levels. That's the level of the hormone is changing, that is the adrenaline, cortisol, altered endorphin levels are. This is the stress responses. The stress responses are behavioral, emotional, physiological, cognitive and biometric.